Ajeenkya DY Patil University is redefining higher education through innovation, holistic development, and a strong commitment to excellence. With a forward-thinking approach, ADYPU blends academic rigor with real-world readiness, supported by a campus designed to inspire, engage, and empower. At the core of this vision is state-of-the-art infrastructure that supports every aspect of student life from academics and research to wellness and sustainability. The campus is more than a place of study, it's a full ecosystem that fosters intellectual curiosity, creativity, and growth. Academic and learning facilities. ADYPU offers a high-tech academic environment with smart classrooms, interactive seminar halls, and 96 fully equipped labs across disciplines. These spaces encourage immersive, hands-on learning, supported by workshops, presentations, and industry-led sessions. ADYPU supports a healthy, active lifestyle with dedicated spaces for cultural expression. An indoor auditorium, mini auditorium, and open-air amphitheater provide venues for performances, competitions, and events, encouraging all-round student development. Technology and digital infrastructure. With strong IT infrastructure, ADYPU is fully Wi-Fi enabled and equipped with advanced computer labs and e-learning tools and platforms like LMS, ERP, etc.
Welcome to the Center of Distance and Online Education at ADYPU, a place where imagination meets innovation and every idea finds its voice. Here, learning is not confined to classrooms, it's lived, experienced, and expressed. At the heart of CDOL is our Dean, a leader who blends academic excellence with deep industry acumen. Under his guidance, the center continues to evolve as a forward-thinking hub of media education. Our faculty are more than educators, they're mentors, creators, and professionals who've shaped the media landscape. Their commitment helps students bridge the gap between theory and industry-ready skills. The backbone of our creative process, our labs are where design, editing, animation, and post-production workflows come alive. Our dedicated Chroma video recording studio includes an acoustically treated Chroma booth and a surround mixing suite equipped with industry-standard softwares like Adobe Premiere Pro and After Effects. From lighting design and on-set audio capture to post-production finishing, our students go through the full pipeline of professional media production. At ADYPU's Center of Distance and Online Education, you don't just learn how to tell stories, you learn how to make them unforgettable.